Hello, it's John Eric, and I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. So, when we make a paper airplane, it should end up looking like this. So, what the paper you're going to need is normal printer paper, any color, just like this. So, you're going to fold it in half. Like that, like this. And when you fold it in half, it should be a rectangle shape. And there should be a line in the middle, like that. So now you see a line in the middle, which is that, and you're gonna fold a triangle, and fold a triangle to that center line. So now you have this. You're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now you have a triangle. So when you have that triangle, you're going to fold it down, like something like that. When you fold it down, you're going to fold it down like this. So I just folded it down so you had a triangle, and now you fold it down until this. You don't have to do it right at that point. You can do it like at any point, but not until it reaches the bottom of the paper, but just like a little space. Like a little space here. Because you're going to need that. So we have a center line again here, and we're going to fold another triangle at that center line. Okay, so now we have two triangles to form up a triangle at the center line, like that. Now we have an extra triangle sticking out. With that extra triangle, we're going to fold it up like this. Like that. And then it used to be down, and now it's up like that. So now when you're going to fold it, you're not supposed to fold it like that. You're going to fold it outwards. You're going to fold it out like that. And now you have this, and it's not ready yet. You have to fold a flap down like that. Like that. So when you fold that flap down, it should look like this. Like that. And then there should be a triangle here and a down. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. And now you have the plane right here. That's the plane. So there you go.